Yo, what is up, my vatos, maravatos? Window rolling. Alright, so today we're gonna be doing something. Finally got a steering wheel. Y'all gotta wait. Damn. Once again, my camera's dirty. No. So y'all gotta wait until I put it on. Or I'm about to show you on the bed anyways. Go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal. Just like that. Normally I wait about like a couple minutes, then I'll go ahead and start working on the steering wheel. So I want to make sure. Damn, why did I just walk around the whole car? So I want to make sure that the airbag don't deploy. And you're gonna use size T30. I forgot what this is called, like a torque bit, I think. I could be wrong, but you're gonna use a T30. There's gonna be a screw here, and one more right there. So once you pull it out, kind of push this out. So don't break the clip. So you want to use that again if you ever decide to connect it. But and just go ahead and unhook that, and it should be good for the airbag. Should be good to come off. So, oh yeah, I meant disconnect the yellow one and the red one. See, so it's stuck right there. Power tools. I didn't show you guys, but it's a 19 mil. You guys have one of these, be a lot faster, so that way you don't have to have somebody hold the steering wheel while you're trying to take it off with like a pry bar. Not pry bar, but a breaker bar or anything. But this came out pretty quick. It's 19 mil. 19. So if you just shake it, I mean, you gotta like really hit it like real hard and pull, it'll come loose. See? But make sure you guys unhook this one as well. Just so if it's hooked like that, just you want to push that in and pull out. Ah, dang it. There we go. So they just come out. Just like that. So with the new steering wheel, this of course is different. It's another OEM steering wheel, but it doesn't have this. So I can connect that to it. But right now I'm not worried about hooking it up. I just want to put the steering wheel on because this is the old steering wheel and this is the new steering wheel. New and used. Alright, so that's about it. Done. I'll show you guys right now. Boom. I know it's used. Picked it up for 30 bucks, but I have a grip up here and it's not torn. I know it's like raggedy, kind of trash, but it's a lot better than my old one. And yeah, EP3. I think the guy did take off, like, I think there's like a cruise control or some switches and stuff right here. So that one came off already. So yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the terminal wire back on. Boom, done. And I got some news for you guys tonight. Stay tuned. Then hopefully y'all can see me. It's probably too high. Okay, right there. Where do I go? All right. Hey, good morning. Good morning, maravatos. I know I said I was supposed to close out the video last night, but whatever. What's today? Tuesday morning. I told you I was gonna have some good news and some bad news. So the bad news is, or was, I know I've been saying I'm gonna get my shipment in July, but it's August tomorrow, so I didn't get my shipment in, but that's fine, because this is where the good news is. The good news, I'm getting my shipment in on the 8th. I just received an email from the shipping company, and they said it'll be here on the 8th. Where am I going? Oh, am I making another left? Okay, yeah. So the shipping company emailed me, and they said it'll be here on the 6th of August. So that's a good thing. So I'm happy for that. You guys should be too, because there's a shitload of parts. Also, another good news, your boy got a job. Look at this. Look at this. Turn right. So yeah, your boy just got a job. So hopefully that won't hinder me posting. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna close out this video. I'm on my way to work. It's a 30-minute drive. I know I work out of town. But yeah, anyways, y'all have a good week, good rest of your week. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys did or do or whatever, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification bell too. You know, go straight. But yeah, thank y'all. Have a good week. Peace, love, deuces.